Hey, what's up, Mr. Who? Are you actually recording?
Yeah.
Alright, what's up, Mr. Who? Ricky, in your third period MCR, and we're doing Unit 4 video right now. So hope you enjoy and hope you learn a lot.
Fuck you, bitch.
Fuck you.
Is that you, Mr. Suhu? Oh, what's up, Mr. Suhu? It's Brian. Can't wait to start chapter 4. Let's do this. Alright. So, let's see. To start off this problem, we're gonna have to make a little.
What are we doing?
What?
What are we doing in this problem? We're determining if x plus 2 is a factor for this equation.
Yeah, correct. Good job, my student. Alright. So, first, let's make this little L. This big L. And then we're gonna get these numbers and put them up here. So 2, a 4, and then Ricky, why do we put a 0 in here?
The reason we're putting a 0 right here and not bringing down this 16 first is because look at this exponent itself. 4 has to go from greatest to least. So 4, 3, and it should go 2, 1. But since it goes straight from 3 to x to the first, we're going to put a 0 to substitute the x squared. And then we can continue by putting the 16 to the 16x to the first.
Alright, good job. So since this is an x without an exponent, that means it just equal to 1, right?
Yes.
Alright, so, oh shoot. So 16 comes first, so it's a negative 16, and then a negative 32. Alright. So, and then we write this thing right here.
No, but how did you get negative? Okay, yeah, no, you're doing it right.
Okay. And then
So subtract the 2 to get it to the other side of the equal sign. Good.
there you go.
So x equals negative 2.
So then now we put that here, and we do simple multiplication. So let's bring this down to 2 here. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we do negative 2 times 2, which is negative 4, which we put over here. And then 4 times negative 4, that's...
No, we're adding.
Oh, I mean, yeah. So,
We're going to multiply across and add down.
that's right. Oh, my bad. A 2, and then 0, and then negative 2 times negative 4. That's
Negative 2
That's
times
8.
times negative 4. Do the math right now.
It's 8. It's 8. Positive 8. So why the...
Yeah, it's positive 8. So,
what the fuck?
Okay, no. Just do it. No, no, we're doing, we're doing these two numbers, not those two. It's these two, Brian. Are you looking?
What? We can cut that
Look.
out. Okay, what? So it's that times...
Times this number. So negative 2
Oh,
times
so
0
0.
is 0.
Okay, wait. Stop. Wait. So we go negative 2 times 2, and then...
No, we're not multiplying.
Oh, so this
We're
one, the
just-
first one, you just bring down.
Yeah.
Okay,
just to
that's,
start off.
that's
Multiply.
negative 4.
And then,
and then-
multiply. We're multiplying the bottom number and adding down. We're not doing anything with these numbers inside multiplying that.
Oh, okay. Alright, where did it leave off?
Alright, so for negative 2 times 0.
Okay, negative 2 times 0, that is 0. Okay.
And what's 0 plus 0?
0 plus 0, that's 0. Right?
Nice.
Right? I believe so, yeah. Alright, so, and then, negative 2 times 0, that's 0. So negative 16 plus 0 is negative 16. And then negative 2 times negative 16, that is, let's do the math. That's negative
It's
30,
positive.
positive 32. That's right. And then that's 0. And then after that, we.
No, that's it. So.
Oh yeah.
So our. So whatever. So when we do this and we're determining if, say, this for this example, x plus 2, if that's a factor, we do all this to work. If our final answer is 0, then it is a factor. If it's any other number, then it's not a factor. So, yeah, so we got 0 for our last number, so it is a factor. Alright, so we're gonna factor by the difference of two cubes. So this is kind of our formula we're gonna use. It's a to the third minus b to the third equals a minus b in parens a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And our problem is x cubed minus 20. This should be 27. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's our thing. So a to the third minus b to the third. We're gonna substitute. Say this is our a and this is our b. But yeah. So we're gonna plug that in x cubed minus, and we're not gonna directly plug in 27 to the b. We're gonna want to know what number cubed equals 27, and if you do the math, it's 3 cubed equals 37. Equals a minus b. So we're gonna have to plug in. This is our a and our b. So we're just gonna plug in x minus 3. So yeah, and then we have the a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, but we're leaving those blank. So this is our a, so this is our a and our b. We're gonna plug in the x, and then this is this is not gonna be 2, it's gonna be 6x, and then plus 9. The reason this is gonna be 6 and 9 is this is 3. This is the 3 times, this is a 3 times 2, and then this is a 3 times 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. Say if that was a 4, 4 times 2, that would be 8, so we'd put 8 there, and 4 times 4 would be 64, or 16.
4 times 4 is
16, and that would be a 16 there. Okay, so so yeah, this is a perfect square trinomial. So it would just be, we would take out oh yeah, so this is a perfect square trinomial, so it would be x plus 3 and x plus 3, and if we FOIL this all back together, we would get this same equation back: x squared plus 6x plus 9 squared. So so yeah, it's a perfect square trinomial, and we bring this x minus 3 down, and we don't really need both of these, so we can just put x minus 3 parens x plus 3. We don't want to write them back down, so we can just put square.
Okay, so to answer this problem, we had to find out if the degree is even or odd. Now to find that out, we look at the exponent that's highest. So here it's x to the third. So is the exponent odd or even? I'm pretty sure it's odd. Circle odd. And then to find the leading coefficient, we have to decide if this is positive or negative.
But how do you know which one's the leading coefficient?
We're gonna ignore that question.
No, answer that. It's the one with the highest power.
Oh yeah. Well, duh. Okay, and then since there's no number in front of the x,
No, it's imaginary 1.
yes, correct, good job.
So it's
And
not
a 1, that's positive. So that's how you solve it.
That's how you figure out your degree and your leading coefficient. So yeah, that concludes our video for today. That was Unit 4 video. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, hope you liked it. That's it. All right. Peace out. See you.